Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start an Excel course with Excel Easy, complete guide step by step clearly. To start an Excel course with Excel Easy, first, open your web browser. In the address bar, type www.excel-easy.com and press enter. Once the page loads, navigate to the top menu. Look for the Excel tutorial section. Click on this link to access the various tutorials available. Explore the categories to find topics that interest you, such as basics, functions, or data analysis. Select a specific topic you want to learn more about. Click on the title to open the detailed tutorial. Read through the information provided, taking your time to understand the concepts. Look for example spreadsheets linked within the tutorials. Download these examples to practice hands-on. Open Excel on your computer and load the downloaded files. Follow along with the tutorial while applying what you've learned in the examples. Take notes on key points that resonate with you for future reference. After finishing a tutorial, attempt the exercises provided, if available. Challenge yourself by working on additional Excel projects. If you encounter difficulties, revisit the tutorial or check the FAQs section. Join Excel Easy's community forums, if available, to ask questions and share experiences. Consider setting a study schedule to consistently allocate time for learning. Keep track of your progress and revisit areas where you need improvement. As you become more comfortable, explore more advanced topics on the site. With dedication and practice, you'll gradually become proficient in Excel. Remember to celebrate your milestones as you accomplish your learning goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.